Hey Lego fans, Jeremy from Sherwood Forest Bricks, and we're bringing another unboxing video. Not like the last one, it's still pretty hot in here, but we gotta get through these. Also, you notice that I'm bouncing back and forth from t-shirt to t-shirt. Let me know what you like better. Do you like the regular t-shirts, construction shirts, the button-up shirts? I'm sure there's a couple ladies out there that appreciate the button-up ones, but we'll see. But we haven't done anything with the shelves, and I know I keep saying it, but life's busy. But I got a couple boxes here we're going to go through, and we should basically just got this stack left, and there's 5 boxes up there. I did get a ship notification on a couple of items, so there are going to be more boxes in here in a sec. But that'll be the end of the week, and we'll get to those. We'll unbox them for you. Alright, well. Start off with this from Lego. Alright, we got the 21309 Saturn V rocket. This thing's huge when built. I have a friend that has one displayed. It's pretty impressive. And then I've also seen the real one in real life. Not actually launched, I'm not that old. But if you ever get a chance to go to the Kennedy Space Center, a lot of good stuff to look at. And I think they also have one down in Texas, or is that the Johnson Space Center in Texas? I don't know. It's displayed horizontally at Kennedy. I also saw somebody build one of those minifig scale to go with the lunar lander, which I believe there's one around here somewhere. Alright, well this is a relatively recent one as well. You got 75343. It's the Dark Trooper helmet. I do have a couple other ones of these. I didn't do unboxing on them because they were already unboxed when I actually moved stuff out of the container, so we missed that. I do know for a fact I ordered this again, so we'll have 2 of them here shortly. And I haven't built those, but they'd be great to display too, I think. Alright, the 75292, the Razor Crest, the Mandalorian. I almost bought this again too, so it's a good thing I did the unboxing today. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a keychain. Oh, a Beskar keychain. That's pretty cool. There you go. Oh, it's really hard to see. Look at this here. So, yeah. In a previous life, I collected keychains. That kind of works out. And I don't display those either. And then some of the brick heads, we got 40539 Ahsoka Tano. I have 2 of those. So, these are really fun to build. And they're great to display. You don't have a lot of space. Rather collectible. And there's tons of them. So, not so many on the new market, but there's definitely a bunch on the used market. And they keep coming out with new ones. So, but those are real easy builds. And one of these days we're going to come across a box that's not actually Lego in it. So we got some sort of storage bin case. Not sure where that came from. 5766 log cabin. 5891 the apple treehouse. 8486 Mack's team truck. 7156 Corroder. It's a Hero Factory one. It was clearanced out. Not sure where this came from. And then 4202 mining truck. Oh, there's another one there. We got two 1356, the Stuntman Catapult. I had another one of those too, our Stunt series. And then Creationary. This is 3844. Never played the game, still a cellophane. I don't know. If anyone's ever played it, let me know. If you have some friends that are board game nuts, maybe I'll take that over there. Well, this is kind of boring. This entire case is 4515. These are 9-volt tracks. They don't make these anymore. And after we do a tour of the Vidmar, you'll notice that I have an entire shelf of these, or a drawer. These are obviously going to be all light bluish gray, or dark bluish gray, sorry. My other drawer is all actual dark gray, and they're pretty good condition. Lego no longer makes the 9-volt series, so they're rather hard to come by. And to be honest, the power functions system they have now is pretty decent, although some of the newer stuff actually eats batteries really fast, so it's kind of one of those things. Alright, well that's all those. That was a total of, what was that, 1823? Looks like we got some crosses in here too. That was set 4519, and there's 4 of them. There should be only one each in these boxes, but I have 4 of those. And then we have 9-volt motors of 1053. I have 8 of those. I bought these on clearance, I think. Yeah. I don't know where I got them, but they were clearance for $12.98. No idea what they cost now. There we have some keychains with Millennium Falcon, the Slave 1, the Land Speeder. These are all built, I imagine they're glued. TIE Fighter, Vader's TIE Fighter, the Jedi Starfighter, and a Y-Wing. So there's a lot in that one. I had another box out, but what time we're at? We're at 10 minutes. I think we'll just save that for the next one. What do you think? You don't get a choice, right? But let me know down below that if you want to keep them longer or if you keep them shorter. think we're gonna end up with a box like this again. So, thanks. Y'all have a good day.